Yeah. What did I say? 34. 34. I haven't got my knife on me. Oh. Don't watch that. Of course, I forgot. Back joints got tapered edges, haven't they? Arse.
What's that mean?
Away with it. They've got all tapered edges around them now, and I've cut it from there to there, and I should have forgot that they got tapered edges.
Where's it going to go?
It's going to go in the corners here.
Does that matter? Because I'm going to have to put joint in.
Yeah, well, it's just a bit
Tape
of a pain.
anyway.
It's a bit of a pain, you know. No.
What's Daddy doing?
Oh God, please, dog.
Bess, leave him alone. You'll get your nose chopped.
It's quite difficult to tell. Just up there. Doggly. Yeah, normally plasterboard doesn't have a tapered edge on its butt joint end, but this is new stuff I've not had before, and it has tapered edges on the butt joints. So when you butt boards together, normally it's just like this, but now they've done the tapered edges all the way around. I'm sure drywallers all over the world are going woohoo, because it makes life easier when you've got a tapered edge, when you're filling that tapered edge. And somebody who does the tape and jointing obviously will be very happy. But when you're cutting them and you forget,
That'll be me.
that'd be me. And when you're cutting them and they're the other way, wrong way round, and you forget that they've got tapered edges on them,
It's a pain in the butt.
it now will be a little bit of a pain in the arse. So what we'll do is we'll make it this edge here, so nobody'll ever see it. Nobody'll ever see it. Now that's, then normally is you have to cut your tapered edges off. Do you want to get the other side? Go for the other.
Oh yeah. Good thinking, Batman. Oh, Batman and Robin!
Right, first one done. So many more to go.
Okay, so I've got my wall all ready and prepped. I've undercoated it and I'm going to try something I've never done before, which is lime washing, but with emulsion paint. Now, apparently you can do it with emulsion paint, so I'm going to give it a try. I've watched loads of clips on YouTube. They make it look so easy. I don't think it's going to be that easy, so this may not work and I may end up just painting all the way over it with my primary colour. But what you need to do is pick two colours, a primary and a contrasting colour. And then you get a tray, and you can either get a tray divider, or what I've done is made a piece of cardboard that fits in the tray, and then I'm just putting tape around it just to make sure it's waterproof so the paints don't spread into each other. And yeah, and then that's it. You put your primary paint, so I'm using this nice bright colour. It actually dries a lot darker than this, and a lighter colour. And you put one in each side, and then you get a large brush like this one that will go and down the middle, so that will fit down the middle and pick up both paints. I've got my paints. What you need to do first of all is go around and do your edges in your primary colours, and you do your edges and draw it in. I'm just going to get on with this. This isn't a tutorial. I'll put in the links, if this works, to the ones that I watched, so you can see, but I'm just going to get on and give it a go and see if it works. So it's normally about this time that I do a quick time of me doing the entire wall. However, I forgot to put the new battery in the camera, so we don't have that. We just have the finished article. So this is how it came out. Now, I will be honest with you, I didn't use both colours in the end. I started using both colours. They started to mix together really horribly. So I went with just the deep red and just did the crisscross patterns that you're supposed to do. And this is how it turned out with just the deep red. And I really, really like it actually. Last night I was in two minds. I've let it dry, come back this morning, and I really like the colour. Now, the one thing Ted said to me when I left to get the paint was, don't come back with Ferrari Red. I think it's a bit deeper than Ferrari Red, but I'm not sure what he thinks. I'm just going to call him in. Baby,
Yeah.
you want to come in? What do you think?
Yeah, I like the mottled effect.
You like the mottled effect.
I
What
do.
about the colour?
Nice and bright. Yeah, you know, like I do like it. It's a deeper, you know, it's not Ferrari Red. And don't get me wrong, big Ferrari fan, but I did want Ferrari in my living room. Yeah, you know, I like the effect. I think the effect's really nice, and in the darker spots, and we've got this great big light here. I know we're going to have spots in here and stuff like that, but I like it.
Yeah?
I do like it. Yeah, I do like it. I like the, yeah.
Now, the other thing is, we obviously have a white cover for here, and I think the white cover's going to be like, bing!
Yeah, so, yeah, I know we've got a darker one we bought, but only a two-way. We need a four-way.
So I think we need to
Either
get
get a dark,
black.
yeah, well, not black, but they do sort of a grey, which is, we've got sort of
right,
like a
yeah.
gunmetal grey.
That'll be, yeah.
And we can have a look and see what they do, because it's one colour. We need one colour.
Yeah.
We've got everything else, and they'll go in the kitchen, but one colour, and the white ones will go on the rest of it. But
Yeah.
yeah,
You like it?
yeah. I think
There's
once
still
it's
a
all,
bit of a...
yeah, there is. You know, it's a little bit getting used to, because it's not what I thought you were going to do.
What did you think I was going
Well,
to
I
do?
thought it was going to be a lot darker than this. I thought it was
Did
going to
you?
be that, not Rouge Basque that we got everywhere else,
Yeah.
but, you know, lending itself much more to that. I like the fact that this has got the orange rather than, because you get like red with,
A
it's
pinky.
really hard to describe. It's like trying to describe sound. Pinky red and orangey red.
Yeah.
And the orangey red, like the rusty red,
Yeah.
is the one I prefer. But
There is.
deeper.
There is a deeper colour. There is a darker colour than this.
I can live with this if you can live with it.
I like this actually.
You like it?
I like
then
it.
That's the most important. That's the most important thing.
Okay, so that's the day over. It's been a good few days. Walls up. We're really getting it out. I'll tell you what the crazy thing is, to think that 8 weeks ago, the building was, it was a ruin.
Well, 2 months, 2 months.
Without a roof and everything else, it was a ruin. And now it's beginning to really look like
a home.
room.
Yeah.
Crazy.
It's cool, isn't it?
Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget, you know what you got to do.
Like, subscribe, hype, comment, thumbs up.
All those crazy things.
All those things send us that way, which means we can do more of this for the likes of you.
Yeah.
Which is what we love to do.
A huge thank you to everybody that's made donations, bought materials from our wish list on our website. And obviously, again, a huge thank you to all of our patrons who are there with us week on week. And to you guys, just for subscribing. Thank you so much. And we'll see you all again on Monday. Time to put the ceiling rails up.
Ooh.
And something else. But
something else.
You'll see that on Monday.
See that on Monday.
See you then. Take care, everyone. Love you all.
Bye. Hey.
Hey.